Hi everyone, it's me, Kayla Loveheart. I hope you guys are having an amazing, blessed day today. You guys, I just want to tell y'all today is about hair and makeup, y'all. Someone sent me some beautiful, beautiful hair, you guys, and I can't wait to show you guys the name of this company. So let's get right on it. So with this new company, it's right here. I don't want to say new company, you guys, but it's a company of hair that I have never used before. Okay, so it's right here. It also came with this nice pink band here, which says 100% human hair. Okay, and it also came here with this two little caps here inside the bag as well. All right, along with these beautiful lashes here. Okay, y'all see those? All right. Okay, you guys, as you can see, I have her on, and she is so beautiful. Get a close-up for you guys. Okay, they say that you also can wear her glueless if you want. She is not going to stay like this in this particular natural state, which I love, 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 love. You guys, I love our natural, beautiful hair, you guys, and it looks just like our, African-American, mimics our hair, which is very nice. So yes, you guys, you can wear this hairstyle glueless, sprayless, whatever you prefer. Me personally, I do not like to wear my units without any type of spray. I do not like to use glue. I only like spray, like I said before. I don't feel like glue is, my thing. But teach his own, teach his own. Okay, so yes, let's go ahead and get on into this, you guys. So let's do the comb test here, as y'all can see, like they always do. Y'all, I can't wait to get some water on her for her to curl up and see how pretty her curls are and all that good stuff, you guys. But yes, it is so nice. So, so nice. So yes, let's go ahead and quit talking. Let's get into this hair. Guys, have already done this side. Okay, it looks so, so good. So what I like to do is cut here just like that for my little sideburns. Okay, let's do this side. So now that I have put all, the hair tech down and all that good stuff, let's go ahead and put some water in her, you guys. And let's speed this part up for you guys because I also want to do my makeup for y'all and everything like that. To that side, I have already wet the hair with water and all that good stuff. It's so beautiful. So now what I like to do is go in with my mousse of my choice right here. This is Mousse Curl. Okay. love with this beautiful hair. Excuse all this hair stuff in my head. I am still putting it in my hair because I want it to look like I want it to look, the style that I'm going for. And also, you guys, okay, I have never, you know, had my hair in the middle part in so long, y'all. I don't mean to say never, but I usually go for a side part, you guys. And honestly, you can put this hair in any style you would like of your choice. And just to let you see that that is true, I'm gonna go ahead and start trying to part it for you guys. Okay, so if we come right here with this good old comb of mine, okay. And it looks really good, you guys. So I like to put like 3 or 4 layers of mousse inside my hair just to give it the look that I want after I have washed it and conditioned it. Okay, ladies, so I want to show you guys how it would look if I was to wear it in the side part and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this will be your side part right here, you guys, just like so. Okay, so that's how that will come out looking. And right now, this is how it look if it was dry. Okay, I can make the curls a little bit more, you know, probably a little bit more, you know, bouncier if I use this extra other mousse that I have, and that's right here. So we're gonna try this, combining this with this one, which is very, very good, you guys. This one here with this one. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is use my clamp here again and go ahead and clip my hair back so I can start on my makeup and all that good stuff. Okay, ladies, now that I have pulled my hair back and all of that, as you can see, I've already got started on my brows and everything, just a little bit, but I will still let you guys see me do the finished look. I'm excited. Okay, you guys, now it's time to get into my skin prep. What I do before I apply my makeup, I like to use this oil right here, and it is called Skin Icing. It is so good, you guys. So what I like to do is take 2 pumps just like this into my hand, like a quarter size. Rub my hands together like so and pat it into my skin just like this. Okay, my forehead. Yes, 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 just like that. Okay. For concealer, we are using my LA Girl Pro. Okay, and we're just gonna put a little bit under the eyes just like so. Okay, it doesn't take a lot. I have learned that I would usually put probably like 1 layer, but it was so thick, you guys. And it's okay to do that if that's what you like, you know, teach his own. But if you want it to look more natural, on the natural side, it doesn't take a lot. What I like to do is put just a tad bit there for the highlight of the forehead and all that good stuff here. Just like so. One more thing under my chin, just like that. Okay, what we're gonna do is take my foundation brush, which is the 200 RT brush. You can get these from Walmart. Okay, and just blend, blend, blend. SOL. Okay, so that's what I'm using for bronzer, and bronzer is just to bring the color back into your face and give it that nice bronze look. Okay, that's what I'm doing. It's like so. I can't wait to try the setting spray, y'all. I'm excited about it. Let me do my nose. Like so. Okay, you guys, now that I have done my makeup and all that good stuff, I want to go in and do my setting spray. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, you guys, this is the end of my tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed recording it. You guys, I would definitely recommend you go get this hair. I highly recommend. It's so beautiful, and you can take this hair and pull it up in any style of your choice. In a high ponytail, which I'm definitely going to be doing. Y'all will see me rocking this hair for a while. It's so pretty, and I'll be getting other different curly styles, you guys, because I love curly hair. So yes, you guys, go get this hair. It is Amanda's hair. You guys go get it, amandahair.com. Yes, amandashair.com. Okay, go get it, you guys. Yes, it is so beautiful. So yes, I decided to go with a middle part and all that good stuff, you guys. And another thing before I get out of here, go get this and this. Both of these together, amazing. The setting spray and the powder, you guys. This makeup brand, you know what, it's so good because I did go out and about, ran a good errands and all that good stuff like that. And it was so good. I mean, my face is still intact. Everything is still in place. I can even touch my face and nothing on my hands, y'all. That's amazing. Like, it stays in place. This is a setting spray for the summer, okay? Go get it, you guys. Be peaceful. Enjoy your day. Don't let no one steal your joy, you guys. Be happy. Enjoy your life. You only get one. Bye.